In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Substack drafts. By the end, you'll know exactly where your works in progress live inside your Substack dashboard, so you can quickly pick up where you left off, review what's pending, and keep your publishing flow organized. Start from your Substack dashboard, the main hub where you manage your publication. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel that groups all your publishing tools. Find the option labeled Posts and click on it. This brings you to the central posts area, which is designed to show everything you've written or are working on. Think of it as your command center for all content, whether it's published, scheduled, or still in progress. Once the posts page loads, look toward the top of the workspace for the different categories that separate your content by status. Here, click on Drafts. The Drafts view focuses specifically on pieces you've started but haven't published yet. It's your safe space for early ideas, half-finished essays, and articles you're still refining. In this draft section, you'll typically see a list of your unpublished posts, each with a title, a last edited time, and sometimes additional context like tags or sections. This overview helps you quickly understand what needs attention. For example, a recent last edited time might indicate something you were actively working on and want to revisit first. If you collaborate with others, you may also notice indicators that make it easy to identify shared work, all without leaving this view. A helpful tip here is to scan for consistent naming in your titles. Clear titles make it easier to tell drafts apart at a glance, especially if you tend to capture lots of ideas. If your list is long, remember that the drafts page is designed to make browsing straightforward, so you can visually sort through what's most urgent and what can wait. If nothing appears in this view, it usually means there aren't any saved drafts right now for this publication, which is perfectly normal if you're just getting started or if you tend to publish quickly after writing. That's all there is to it. First, open the posts area from your dashboard and then head straight into drafts to see everything you've saved but not yet published. With this simple navigation, you'll always know where your unfinished pieces live, helping you stay organized and confident in your publishing pipeline. Thanks for watching and happy writing.